All right, now let's start to find the 5-number summary for this set. Remember, we're still using the same data from the top from this dot plot to find this. So we're starting off with the minimum and the maximum. Those are definitely the easiest ones. Remember, we're just identifying the smallest and the biggest number in the set, not really extra work that is included there. Our minimum value is 0, that's the smallest in the set, and our maximum is 10, that's the biggest. Do we also already know something that we already solved here? Yeah, remember quartile 2 is the same as the median, which we already solved for above, so we can just copy that value here. And our quartile 2, or our median, is just going to be 1, just like we solved up there. So our median is 1. And now we just need to find quartile 1 and quartile 3 and then create a box and whisker plot. So remember up here, we have this set of numbers. Remember, quartile 1 and quartile 3 are also medians, but the difference is we're taking the median of the lower half and the upper half of our set. So in this case, we had 10 values in our set, so that means we just split them right in half. So we use the lower 5 values to find quartile 1, so we're going to use 0, 0, 0, 1, and 1 to find our median there. And then quartile 3, we're going to use the other half, 1, 2, 2, 6, and 10. All right, and we're going to need to find the median of both of these. Well, luckily, there's 5 values in both of these, so I can just clearly see the middle. So our quartile 1 is going to be 0, and our quartile 3 is going to be 2. And it's literally as simple as that. In this case, we didn't have to do the extra work because we had odd numbers, so it's just as easy as that. And now we're going to create a scale and go ahead and draw a box and whisker plot. So our values just range from 0 to 10, so I'm just going to go by ones. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, you're not limited to going by ones. You could go by twos or something different as long as it makes sense with the set. So now we're going to put a point on each of these. So 0 is our minimum, so I'm going to put a little dot there. 0 is also our quartile 2, so I'm just going to put a little double dot there to represent that it's both. Quartile 2 is 1. Quartile 3 is 2. And our maximum is 10. Now I'm going to draw a line through all of these. And remember, a box goes around our quartiles. A tile around our quartiles. And that's your box and whisker plot. This is showing us that most of the data is in between 0 and 2. Actually, in this case, 75%, whereas only 25% is in between 2 and 10. And it's just kind of showing us our data. And that is how to create a box and whisker plot and find the 5-number summary.